Digging out back in the scrap pile, found this. We're lacking one of those. So we're gonna figure out something to make that work. It's probably gonna be hokey. It's kind of the whole deal with this truck, is it's just gonna look decent. A nice 30-30 truck. Back out in the shop. We're working on the budget Tacoma again. I already got the plasma cutter plugged in. We're gonna rip right into this thing. Alright, so what we're doing right now is we're just trying to kind of get it kind of squared up, make this thing look decent. Now that it's welded on, we can cut this off. I'm going to figure out how far out I need to come to make the bumper work, but this should hold, and it ties the bumper brackets and the receiver all together, so should be decently strong and look decent. So we'll come in here later, cut the brackets down. Don't mind the wire hanging out, but not the best at overhead welding. It's kind of a pain. Yeah, we'll cut that off, move on to the other side. All right, we're all measured out. Kind of held the bumper up, see where I wanted it. Got an idea and measured off of the bed. Now we're gonna cut the tube off. We can weld the rest on the other side. All right, we got our other bumper bracket welded on. That side did not go smoothly. Bumper bracket is actually broke, so I had to weld it more to the hitch. So depending on how this is, once it's up on there, we might definitely have to build a support off the hitch to the bracket. It's rusty, we knew that. So get the bumper up there. Okay, there it is. Our free bumper for the back of the Tacoma. Pull that out of the scrap pile. Should work pretty decent. Like I said, we're not putting weight on it, so should work pretty good. Looks decent. No more hitch sticking way off the back. And if we absolutely had to and wanted to put the little trailer on the back of it and move things around the yard, we now can, because this is all one piece rusted. So on to some other things.